Haliburton yun, nawala ang bola. At eto yung fast kick, panoorin mo sa Haliburton. No? Grabe! Pinasa talaga kay Obi Toppin.
Here's Mitchell. About a 10-second difference. Shot clock. A game clock. Oh!